Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use CMS collection in Webflow. So this is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first thing here is that I'm going to go to my Webflow design page, and here in the left-hand panel you can actually see all the buttons that are necessary in editing your web page. Now we are going to go to our CMS collection. So here, you just need to click on this button. And then afterwards, to create your collection, you just need to click on this blue button in the upper right hand corner. Alright, so for your collection templates, you're just going to simply choose whether it's a blog post, author categories that you would want to add onto your pages. Say for example, we want to add some blog posts right here. Now, all you need to do is to input all the necessary information right here, add new fields to your collection fields, and also input your basic information in the right hand side of your editing page. So there you just need to input your name, in the slug, post body, post summary, and the images that you would want to add onto your blog posts or the pages you want to add onto the web page that you're creating. So say for example, we're gonna have this one and we're going to create some sample items. Let's have 5 items. Now there you can actually see 5 blog posts being created, and those are just samples. So if you want to edit, you just need to click on the specific blog post or page that you would want to edit on. So say for example this one, so you can edit the image, the content, and also the title of the page. So basically that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.